Hello, welcome to Megger's Technical Support video series, Frequently Asked Questions. In this video, we will discuss how to use thumping on the Easy Thump and the Smart Thump. Now, let's get started. In this video, we will be going over thumping on the Easy Thump and Smart Thump. For a brief connection overview, first, apply your equipment safety ground to ground. Then apply your high voltage return lead to the concentric neutral or shield under test. Finally, place your high voltage output lead to the cable under test. Thumping is a pinpointing technique which is used by having an arc flash at the fault point. Once thumping is selected, you will come to this screen to select a voltage range. You should already know what range you'll be thumping due to the high pot flashover. On the Easy Thump, the maximum kV is 12 kV with an output of 500 joules or noise. With the Smart Thump 25, the maximum kV output is 25, but since this has a dual capacitor, you'll get 1600 joules at 25 kV and also at 12.5 kV. The reason for the dual capacitors is so if you have to thump at a smaller voltage, you'll still get the joule or the full maximum noise output of the thumping. That way at 12.5 you see that you have 1600 joules, but if you just go up 100 volts, you're back down to about 400 joules. After the desired voltage is selected, you'll come to a screen. That way you select how rapidly or how slow the discharge will occur, depending on the voltage setup. After the time is selected, you'll come to the screen to push green HV on. Once the green button is selected and pushed, then you'll begin the thumping process. Once thumping has been initiated, it will start ramping up the voltage to the desired voltage selected, and then it will discharge the voltage at whatever time was selected. It will do so continuously until it is manually stopped. Once manually stopped by either the rotary knob, the red HV off button, or the E-stop, it will show test stopped and then it will begin to discharge the cable. Once the unit and the cable is discharged, it will show test stopped and by what method the test was stopped. This concludes how to use thumping on the Easy Thump and the Smart Thump. Visit the Megger YouTube channel for more videos including technical webinars, product overviews, and other how-to presentations similar to this one. Contact us for questions or more information about this topic, or for any support that you may need for your electrical testing.